Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here, and today I'm gonna teach you guys the L4 drop variation. If you follow my channel before, you know that I've been doing quite a few L4 drop tutorial, but this video today is more of a complete version. I'm gonna run through the one that I already did the tutorial, just a quick explanation, and then we're gonna go more deep into the other variation. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump right onto it. The first one is the most basic L4 drop. I'm gonna put my left leg in the front and my right leg is gonna go to the back. Alright, so like this. Now from here you can go to the transitions. You can either again bring your right leg into the front and hook, or you can turn and hook. Alright, so this now allows you to go to your forward variations. Now the second air drop is more on the dynamic side, okay? Because we're gonna do the drop immediately from standing to the ground. So very simple steps as well. You're gonna put your right leg in the front. Now my right leg is gonna cross. I'm gonna swing my right leg over to the left, and then I'm gonna drop down. Alright, so be careful. You're gonna slowly drop down to your upper thigh here, okay? Don't drop down and hit this part, okay? You want to make sure that you hit this part here. Alright, so one more time. Left leg to the front, right leg down. One more time. Left leg to the front, right leg, swing over, and then again you're gonna catch yourself and slowly press it down. Next air drop is a spinning air drop. Alright, so we're gonna dance a bit, you know, spin, turn, and then go to air drop. It creates a lot more variation, a lot more visual appealing, I think, because you do a lot more stuff rather than just going to the air drop immediately. So let's try. Right leg front, back, spin, cross over. Alright, so when I cross over, I'm gonna drop down to the air drop. Use this concept where you catch yourself and then slowly place your body to the ground. Right leg front, back, I'm gonna turn, left leg starting to go to the air drop positions, drop. Now I'm gonna go to the forward L4, okay? So start from doing a footwork. You want to put your left leg to the front like always, and then this leg, the right leg, you're gonna swing over to the left leg. Alright, so when you swing, you want to make sure you spin your body or your top of your body as well. It looks something like this. Alright, so one more time. Left leg front, right leg swing, body turn, and drop. What I like to do on this version, or the footwork version of the L4 drop, is when I do the turn and when I pause, I want to give all my body weight to the left side. Alright, so I'm gonna drop all the way to the ground. It makes the transition looks more bigger and dynamic. So let's try. That's it for the L4 drop variation tutorial. I do hope that you guys take whichever one you like, or you can take all of these, put it on style, put your own flavor, and come up with your own L4 drop variation. If you can do that, shot the video, put it on YouTube, send me the link, and I'm sure I'm gonna watch it. Trust me, I'm gonna watch it. Okay? Oh yeah, and a lot of you guys asking me about why when I upload new video, you guys always didn't know or didn't receive anything in the subscription feed. To be honest, I don't know why that's happening, but what I do know is whenever you press subscribe button, do remember to turn on the notification icon or the bell icon there, so know whenever I upload new video, you will receive some sort of notification. So that's when you know I upload new video. Okay, that's it. Hopefully this kind of video helps you. Subscribe, like this video, give thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and I will see you guys next time.